Hi everyone! Today we're going to continue steaming. Why not? It's so simple and easy, right? And delicious, especially for such hot summer. How are you guys dealing with heat waves? And actually this is a recipe inspired by a dish I had with my friend at a restaurant. So we're going to make a steamed eggplant with garlic sauce. If you like my other recipe, eggplant with garlic sauce, you'll like this too because it's even simpler. And let me show you the simple ingredients. So I have one Chinese eggplant. If you cannot find it, you can use other eggplant. And of course chopped garlic, this 8 cloves garlic, chopped green onions, and Thai chili peppers. If you cannot take heat, you can use bell peppers. And let's first cut our eggplant. Just remove and cut into fourths. And now into bite size, that, and into our water, so prevent them from oxidizing. This one's bigger, cut into 3. I know it's hard to buy eggplants so fresh. You can see some seeds, dark but still edible. Okay, and we just add a little bit rice wine, rice vinegar, and same thing, you prevent them from oxidizing, and also add some flavor too. So that's our eggplant, and I have some Thai chili peppers. Depends on how spicy you can take. A few of them should be enough. Should be good. Wow, I can smell it. So for the sauce, our garlic sauce, here's the chopped garlic. It's a lot, right? That should be enough. And white part of green onions. We leave some for garnish later. It's a little bit green too. And chili peppers. Add some light soy sauce. This is non-GMO soy sauce. It's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix it. And a little bit of oil. I know eggplant loves oil. Any vegetable oil is fine. And mix it. Now let's assemble our eggplant. Now just from the water, I'll take out the eggplant. Some skin up, some skin down. Okay, it's perfect. Fit into a bowl. And we just pour our sauce on top. Wow. Simple like that. Of course, I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box below, along with my other eggplant garlic sauce recipe. Here we go. Simple like that. And we are ready to steam. Beautiful. Now the water is boiling. Let's place a steamer. Cover it. High heat, we're going to steam about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, our eggplant is ready. Wow.
Wow, that's great.
Isn't it simple? Can garnish with some green onions. Does it look beautiful? Love the purple color. And I have enough sauce here. Beautiful. Ready to try?
I'm ready.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's great.
Delicious, isn't it? Garlicky, a little spicy. Cooked perfectly.
Wow. Oh, God, that's awesome.
Again, such simple dish. Please try this. So simple ingredients also very simple. And please let me know if you like more steamed recipes. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.